My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making Atomic Ivy MMO. I'm making an MMO from complete scratch in JavaScript. Let's look at the 4.11 deltas because we're on video 4.11. Source code is here. Let's get going. So in the Hardtex function section, within the generator function for booleans for pattern number 0, so this generator function here, we have filled out all the code. So we don't really care about the local coordinate for this, so we're just going to do a no-op for the local coordinate. Here's our output boolean, defaulting to undefined, 0. And we're going to take the xy cell coordinate, convert it to an index, use that index in this lookup table to get the love cell R4i, and we're going to make sure they're exactly equal. So this lookup table is kind of redundant and stupid, but it helps, error check our math, so we'll keep it in. We're going to take this and alias it to this so that we can read it a little bit easier and realize that for this lookup table, this is what goes in, and this enumeration is what goes out. So this level overlay type comes out, and if we're on type 0, then we return true. If we're on any of these other 3 types, we return false. So we only return true when we have single room data. So we haven't implemented any shaders for this type of data, so it makes no sense to set a tile there for this type of data. We're going to return the boolean here, positives for true, negative for false, and 0 for undefined. Here's what we did previously, here's our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. You can pause to read that. You are on the fast playlist. If you want a longer description, go to this playlist. Source code is here. Email me here. I'm making an MMO from scratch called Atomic Ivy. Like and subscribe.